driving the ball to the other side. Number 4, pass to Benavides. Benavides back to Branco. Branco, pass to number 8 with a easy 2-point jump shot. No good. Inandar kay Alex. Alex, pass to Dumarao. Dumarao na may tanga ng bola. Pinasa kay Alex. Pass to number 10. Number 10, pinalamaw na. 5 seconds to shoot. No good. Rebounded by number 10, Kolarski. Pass to number 16. Number 16, pinatawin na ang depensa. Pass to Benavides. Foul number 10.
Ang ginagawa mo.
First drop. Pass. Pasok din ang 7 row, 2 over 2. Number 10, pass to number 1, ang may tanga ng bola. Pinasa kay Pamangir. Pass to Alex for 2 points. No good. Bola ng White. Number 12, pass to number 8. Number 8, pass to Benavides. Benavides with a floater, 2 points. Near pass to Dumarao. Dumarao na may tanga ng bola. Dumarao. Pass to Alex. Alex. Pass to Dumarao. Pass to Nirnir. 10 seconds to shoot. Alex. Pass to number 1, Pamego. Alex wala na rin nakuha ni Dumarao. Dumarao. Pass to number 1 with a jump shot. Wala pa rin number 1. Number 1, 10 seconds to shoot. Alex. Good. Benavides na pagalinga. Foul number 1. Second personal. 13 foul.
Hey!
Sablay ang unang drop.
Mamaya po na tirahan ng 3 Magtampak na kayo. Hey!
Sablay yun ang second round. Rebound number 10. Foul number 10, Kolarski.
Gurot! Bola!
Number 3, pass to Basta. Basta may tanga na bola. Piso, pass to Alex. Alex. Pinasa kay Nirnir. Nirnir, pass to number 10. Number 10, Nirnir. 10 seconds to shoot. Sablay na rebound number 16. Number 16 na may tanga na bola. Behind the back. Pass to Suelo. Suelo for 3. Foul. 3 points by number 1, Suelo.
Taas mo, hindi mo
Number 10,
nakikita
pass to
yung
number
game.
1. Pass to Nirnir. Nirnir ang may tanga ng bola. Pinasa kay Alex. Alex, pinaka na bola nakuha ni 16. Pass to Alex. Alex na easy. Ay, sabi ba? Easy 2 match by number 4, Franco. Score na rin at 15-11. Nawat na lang ang kalabawan ng near department. Number 1 ang may tanga ng bola for 3. Foul. 3 points by number 1. Piso. Number 16, inabangan ang depensa, pass to Eric Cruz. Dominic Cruz. Sablay na wala kay number 10. Number 10, pass to Piso. Piso ang may tanga ng bola. Piso. Pass to Dumarao. Pili sa decision, pass to Marlon. Marlon, pag-shot. Kulags. Pass to number 16. Number 16, pass to Benavides. 2 points by number 67, Benavides. Score na rin at 28 na ang kalabawan ng near department. Number 11, 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Alex, pass to number 10, number 8, pass to number 16, pass to number 7. Second personal foul, 13 foul.
Foul by the group.
Sablay ang unang draw ni Dumarang. Sablay din ang second draw na Ribani Bulags. Bulags. Pass to number 16, 30 seconds remaining time. Benavides ready, no good. Ribani Bulags pass to number 3. Now at he pass to number 1. 22 seconds remaining time. Number 1 for 3, no good. 15 seconds remaining time. 10 seconds pass to number 4. 10.1 seconds remaining time. 10.1 seconds remaining time. Alex. 5 seconds.
Taga eh.